USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification below the video. Below the video you will find the link. It says swing trading and automation. So click on the first link, come to this page to watch this video and see the results for last 5 years. I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading. You don't hear that from anybody every day, okay? Swing trading on automation. You will never understand until you come and watch this video. The first link below, check it out in your free time. And then join Telegram if you want. You will find all the links below the video. Subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame, okay? Weekly, we are surely down. There's no gas, though. Gas means the pair doesn't move that much. So USD, both are strong currencies. There's not much volatility. But this new high is created, okay? So let me see. Yeah, so this new low, this new low was created and then pull back and then again engulfing candles. So we're supposed to go down, okay? No rocket science. Coming back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are trending below the EMA. So this was your new downtrend. Then we have a rejection. This is a perfect entry, pull back, and then we go down again, take down this low, enter short, exit here. That's your profit, free money. That's what you have. So look for shorts. I told you, I gave you entry for free. In 4 hour, where to enter, where to exit, okay? Dollar overall is weak, so look for shorts only. That's USDCHF. But if you don't know what is happening here, and do you think I'm too fast? No, I'm too slow right now, okay? So yeah, if you want to automate everything, then go ahead and click on the first link, come to this page, watch the results for last 5 years. You will see what's happening here, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.